Today we're going to talk about cooking the macrobiotic way. So now we have our cleaned grains and we're going to let these soak for about 6, 8, 10 hours overnight. All right, so since we're doing a Caribbean Latin theme, we've had our brown rice and red quinoa that we just rinsed and soaked, and now these are black beans that we're going to rinse and soak. And I want to point out that these are completely natural. They're organic, of course, and they're completely natural. They haven't been, rinsed or polished or processed in any way. So it's very important that's one of the reasons that we rinse these so well. It's very important to make sure that there's no extraneous debris, like sometimes there's little twigs or branches, or even sometimes rocks or stones or clumps of dirt. So that's why you're going to, move them around, and then you're going to look very closely and make sure that it's just beans that you have, and you're going to rinse them. And that's also why we rinse them 3 times, because we want to make sure that if we missed anything the first time, we get it the second time. And we want to basically rinse them until the water is nice and clear. And then we soak them just like the grains.